Whoa! Help, 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 help.
Welcome back to the channel, Fat Boys, and today we are going down to a nice bike night down in Hollywood. So let's go on and get to it. But with us, we have Mark. Yay! So let's go ahead and start the montage. Quick video. Just want to have some fun. Let's get to it. Do it again for me. So, with it being dead, we're gonna try bumping it right now. Welcome to my life, the Why Me Chronicles. Wait.
Pop it.
Yeah, it didn't even pump.
Put it here underneath this light.
God, even the gears don't feel good right now. So this is the third time now my bike has broken down. Great time. So I'm gonna have to leave the bike here tonight, and I'm gonna call Harley first thing tomorrow morning and have them come pick it up, whatever that takes. Fun times ahead. Great. Can I get a ride?
Ride, bitch.
The nuts to butts action.
We gotta.
No, we're taking that off.
You want that off?
We're getting the full close one-on-one action.
Great.
Okay, you don't actually have to take it off.
Okay. It's gonna be tight. I can take it off so there's a little bit more room.
I'll fit. Listen, I know I'm Fat Boy Bob, but I can still squeeze. You ready?
Yep.
Plenty of room. Bye, Bertha. I just tried putting a foot down.
Don't put a foot down.
Well, guys, this is not one of the funnest moments. I hate when this shit happens. Should not even be happening, in my honest opinion. This is a 2020 Harley-Davidson. I haven't even had it a year yet, and it's already broken down 3 times. So it's actually already had to have an entire new engine put inside of it. So, you know, this is fun. Hopefully we do get this resolved, hopefully nice and quickly. I do think of myself as pretty close friends with a lot of people in West Palm Beach, Harley-Davidson. I do appreciate a lot of them and the work that they do. Ooh, baby, I like them RPMs. Keep it right there. So we're gonna just hope for the best and hope they fix it quick. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, Mark, your bike sounds pretty damn good in the back seat. And we're back after a very disappointing night.
Whoa! Help, 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 help. Holy crap.
So, thank you, Mark. I can not appreciate it enough. Okay, so we'll see where this picks up.
Tomorrow.
Hi, yes, I was wondering if I can get a pickup.
Within an hour, hour and a half.
Okay, no problem.
Eventually.
Alright guys, we are currently in the parking lot where the bike is at, waiting for Harley-Davidson to come pick it up, for them to take it into the shop. We will see when they get here, and when they get here, I will keep you guys informed.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.